So you can microphone, and we'll see if we can show f of g of x. So what I like to do is I like to write the outside function, f, write it first. So it'll be x squared plus 4, right? Isn't that nice? So neat. And then in for g of x, we're going to put in, or in for x, we're going to put g of x. 3 square root of x. So when we're all done with this, this is just going to be what? 9x plus 4? Does that sound right? Raise your hand if you got 9x plus 4. Okay. It's like a caveman wrote this. So there is your composition of functions. Now you're ready to find the domain of that. The domain will look like this. You're going to take the domain of the inside, which is g. Wow, that's beautiful. Intersect it with g stuck into what? What do we put this g of x function into? Domain of f. So all you have to do then, we're going to do this next, is the domain of g is x greater than or equal to 0. Got that part? Raise your hand if you got that part. Okay. Got it? Good. Now, the domain of f is x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so if x is greater than or equal to 2, now we put that little g of x in there. And so that's going to be 3 square root of x. Okay, so now we got a little bit of algebra to get us the rest of the way. 3 square root of x is greater than or equal to 2. The square root of x is going to be greater than or equal to 2/3. So tell me, what will x be greater than or equal to? Anybody want to take it? What will x be greater than or equal to? Solve for x. X will be greater than or equal to what? Anybody help me out? 4/9. And then we're going to intersect that with x greater than 0. So what will the intersection of x greater than 0 and x greater than or equal to 4/9 be? Well, it'll start at 4/9 and go where? Infinity? Wow, is that ever hard to do? All right, so 4/9 to infinity, or x greater than 4/9, that's your domain of f of g of x. Now, g of f of x will be different, and I'll let you figure that out on your own.